Now, actually, this is not a talk. It is an introduction to the fact that we have a code of conduct in LSST, but in general for organizational meetings. And in these 5 minutes, I will go very quickly on this. I just show you some highlights from a previous meeting I attended a few months ago in Liverpool during the European Week of Astronomy and Science Space. The point is that I attended scientific meetings since 2004, and just a few months ago, actually, I saw sessions, also plenary sessions, discussing about this. And these topics are very complex. I cannot go through the details of it, of course, but I want just to share in 5 minutes the highlights of this, the issue of equity and diversity and inclusion in science. The first topic was presented in Liverpool by Ashley Splinder. She defines herself a trans woman in astrophysics and talk about the trials and tribulations of LGBT scientists. And I contacted her. She was very nice to allow me to grab her presentation and show you a couple of slides, the best stuff that there should be other things written here, but I don't know why it doesn't show here. But actually the point that you sometimes feel that you are scared to be your true self with colleagues, but the good stuff is that in Europe, in UK, because we were in Liverpool then, and in Europe and also here in Sicily and abroad in the world, we talk about minorities like LGBT scientists and women in science and people from countries where there is no equity and diversity, actually, and inclusion. And also here, there's missing something, okay, that to be who you really are is important also for good results in your work. The second topic that was important, and then also the talk was very moving to me, was the talk of a PhD student, Kate Furnell. And she was talking about breaking the science around mental health and people working in academia and in science in general. And if Mario, could you please, a few days ago, actually, Science dedicated a paper on an interview, actually, to Kate. And it's here. It's of a few days ago, and if you go down, Mario, I invite you, just one-page paper. It was very interesting, in my opinion, because the fear to share with the colleagues your problems that can be important to share and to get the results of your scientific work in a scientific environment. I mean, she was talking about the fact that she gave this moving talk and she was afraid of reaction of colleagues, but many of us, I was one of that, thank Kate for sharing with us her experience. And then if you can go back, Mario, to my presentation, please, the next slide. Here in Palermo, sorry, this is in Italian because, again, I grabbed these slides by Ileana Chinnici. She works here, the Observatory of Palermo, and here we are there are young colleagues like Giada, Genoa over there, and some other colleagues you can find around helping us for this workshop that are presenting something about women in science, the point that the statistics on Nobel Prizes, this year we have again a woman with a Nobel Prize in Science and Physics, and they are preparing some postcards that I can show. And if you like to have more information about some women in science, you can find some of these postcards at the desk there. And we presented this actually before the EWOS meeting in Liverpool, because we presented this a couple of months before EWOS meeting. So sometimes Sicily also go beyond what is expected from us. And we are preparing this postcard, and they presented this project of women in science during last night, European Night of Researchers. So if you have if you would like to have more information about that, please ask us, and please grab one of these postcards. And that's it. I just want to now leave with Federica and the Code of Conduct of LSST.